Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. First, open Google AI Studio on your computer and sign into your account if needed. Now click on Apps from the left side panel. Then click on the app you want to connect to GitHub and wait for it to load completely. Once the app opens, reload the page to make sure all project data is synced properly. Now click on the settings icon from the top right corner. Here, tap on GitHub. Then click on the link that says Sync to GitHub. A GitHub authorization window may appear. If prompted, sign into your GitHub account and grant the required permissions so Google AI Studio can access your repositories. Once the connection is complete, go back to Google AI Studio. Now click on Apps again from the left side. Open the same app and wait for it to load. Then click on the settings icon from the top right corner once more. Now click on Stage and commit all changes. This will prepare all the project files and save your latest updates before sending them to GitHub. Review the changes if needed, enter a commit message if prompted, and confirm the commit. Once completed, your project changes will be synced with the connected GitHub repository.